Hi everyone, this is the C# Tricks channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate creating a Bootstrapper, followed by launching the application for the initial time. Let's open the solution. The initial step I'll take is relocating the main window view to the appropriate assembly. I use a resharper, so I will perform all actions with its help. Choose the view and press F6. Specify the destination where we aim to relocate the view, which is bookshelf.views. For now, we'll position the view in the root of the assembly. ReSharper has analyzed the move and identified that the view assembly isn't prepared for this change. It lacks references to the system WPF assemblies. Let's cancel the move and explore how this is implemented at the entry point. To accomplish this, open the project file for the entry point. This project specifies a defined target framework, along with a use WPF key. Let's apply identical modifications to the project file of the view. Retry moving the view. ReSharper alerts us about an issue with namespaces in the view, but it's not critical and we'll address it promptly. Confirm the relocation. Ensure that the view has been successfully relocated. Compile the solution. The compiler is unhappy because the Bootstrapper assembly references the assembly with the view, which has the incorrect target framework. Fix this issue. Compile again, and you should see a successful green build. Now let's proceed to create a Bootstrapper class. The Bootstrapper will implement the iDisposable interface to facilitate the management of resource disposal in the future. For now, let's leave the dispose method empty. The Bootstrapper will contain just one public run method. Within this method, we'll instantiate the main window, display it, and then return its instance. Let's proceed with the implementation. Now, instantiate the Bootstrapper at the entry point and utilize it accordingly. Open the app.xaml file. In a WPF application, the main window view is typically automatically specified in the startup URI property. As we will be creating views manually, we'll remove the startup URI attribute. Additionally, we'll remove any unused markup. Navigate to the code behind file. Tidy up by removing any unused code and all comments. The application class contains a virtual method called onStartup, which is automatically invoked once when the WPF application starts. Override the onStartup method. Let's create an instance of the Bootstrapper and persist it in a field. Then within the onStartup method, we'll call the run method of the Bootstrapper instance. Assign the main window instance returned by the run method to the main window property of the application class. Let's overload the onExit virtual method and dispose the Bootstrapper. Now, run the application to ensure we haven't overlooked anything. It's time to commit the changes. Let's stage the modified files and set a commit message for Introduce Bootstrapper. Excellent. In the next video, we'll develop the view model for the main window and establish the infrastructure for managing windows. That's all for today. Enjoy developing.